video, we review an English pre-made version of the Thai dish Gaeng *a Thai green curry by Blue Dragon. Is it authentic? Keto-friendly? We also show you the Thai words for the ingredients used and put it to the taste test. Let's go! Preparing a dinner now. We've got a couple of Thai dishes. A pre-sort of made Gaeng *a Thai, which is the Thai green curry. If you wanted to try this one, Blue Dragon. Just add chicken, monge toot and mushrooms. I have no idea why you would add monge toot at all. It doesn't go anywhere near a green curry. Mushrooms sometimes, but yeah, there you go then. So here's the ingredients as well if you want to read it. And here's the macros. Macros here is not too bad. 2.4 protein, fibre 3.1, carbohydrates 7.1, and fat 17. So macros are pretty good on this, but yeah, don't follow the vegetables that it says to put in, because that's just weird. Yeah, fry the meat for 1 minute, which you wouldn't do. Pour in coconut milk and bring to the boil. Add the dry ingredients and vegetables. Simmer for 10 minutes. You can't just simmer that. That's just thick. That'd be thick. You must have to add water. I don't know. I can't see where it says water. Okay, you're not doing what it says. It tells you have to fry the chicken first.
Why have to fry?
I don't know. I have to fry. You never fry chicken, do you? Do you ever fry? This is a Thai person. Do you ever fry the chicken first for a green curry?
Or maybe they mean about fried chicken with the...
No, maybe.
With the green curry first and then add the...
Yes. But we don't do that, do we? Do we?
No, not
No.
sure.
Okay, she doesn't know. She's man not. Oh my God! Seriously? Oh bloody hell!
Easy to buy. Why have to cook?
Make it healthier. Right, we can do it this way, could I? Put it on in there. So anyway, let's have a look how we make it. Chopped up the chicken for the curry. There you go. We're just having in the chicken now. No, it doesn't say that. Look, read the instructions. It doesn't say anything about that. It says, how is that enough for 2 people?
That's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh. I feel better, mate?
Yeah.
There we go, just added in the green curry paste. Okay, so we just added a bit of fish sauce to the green curry. Lovely Thai fish sauce, nam blah. Add in a couple of the bai mo kurut. Okay, check it out, guys. So there's the green curry. So the green curry is done now. Just added a bit of erythritol. No, I think for an English one, it's not terrible. Not terrible. It's yeah, green curry is not too bad. It's a little bit dry. It's not like 100% sort of genuine, but don't put the what was it, the monge toots they said.
No, that seems a bit weird anyway.
Yeah, monge toots. Why would you put that in a green curry? Do not do that with a green curry. But yeah, apart from that, it was all right. It was all right. You enjoyed it? Yeah. There you go. It's got bai mo kurut in it, which is kaffir lime leaf.
I like kaffir lime.
Yeah, Mum likes kaffir lime leaf. What do you think of the green curry?
Not bad, but
2 hours later.
it's not original 100%, but it's not bad. Yeah.
Have it again?
Maybe.